In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts for use in Adobe Acrobat. This process is handy for enhancing your PDF documents, making them visually appealing, and ensuring they align with your branding or specific style requirements. Whether you're using Windows or Mac OS and working with Acrobat DC Pro or just Acrobat Reader, this step-by-step guide will have you covered. The first thing you'll need to do is choose and download the font you wish to use. There are plenty of reputable sources like Google Fonts or Adobe Fonts via Creative Cloud, where you can find a wide selection. Make sure to download the font file, and typically it will come in a .ttf or .otf format. Choose a font that suits your needs and download it onto your computer. Once you have your font file ready, the next step is to install it on your computer. If you're on Windows, locate the downloaded font file, right-click it, and select Install. If you're doing this on a shared computer and you need everyone to have access to the font, you may prefer to choose Install for all users. For Mac OS users, you'll want to locate the font file and double-click to open it in FontBook. Then you simply click Install Font in the preview window. During this process, be prepared to confirm any security prompts or permissions. These might appear if user account control on Windows or Gatekeeper on Mac OS requires them. Installing your font is only part of the process. If you had Acrobat open while you were going through these steps, you'll need to close and reopen it. This action ensures that the newly installed font is recognized and available for use within the application. With Acrobat reopened, you can now use your new font in a PDF. Open the document you want to edit, and if you're changing existing text, select the text area you want to modify. Access the font menu, which you'll typically find in the editing toolbar or within a text editor that appears while you're in edit mode. Choose your newly installed font from the list. Once selected, you can also adjust the size and weight of the font to suit your design preferences. If for some reason you don't immediately see your new font in the available options, try toggling the text edit mode or reselecting the text to refresh the settings. For those distributing their PDFs professionally or ensuring they look the same on any device, embedding the font in the PDF is a vital step. To verify font embedding, navigate to File, then Properties, and click on Fonts. Here you can ensure that your chosen font is embedded or check which fonts the document is using. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials.